up, everybody? Late from Motorsport here today. As you guys know, the car market is very tough right now. So even if you find the vehicle you want to purchase, it may not have all the options. We have this Maybach here, for example. There's so many things that we would like to add, or you could add when you're ordering the car. But this was what was available, so we purchased it. And for those who are looking for a Maybach that are in the market, who can't find the one with their options, we're gonna show you how we can make changes to make it maybe to what you're looking for. So we're gonna go over that now. All right, so you got a Maybach S580, guys, and then you got a regular S580. This is a Maybach right here. So it shouldn't have this Mercedes Benz logo in the front. So we're gonna remove this logo. We're gonna add the double M Maybach logo the way it should be. If you look on the bottom here, it's piano black grille. The chrome on this car is what makes the car stand out and look classy and elegant. So in the European edition of the Maybach version, that bottom comes with the chrome grille pieces. And I actually got them here with me right at the moment. These are the side fins, bottom grille, all chromed out. And then you got the middle right here. It makes the grille on the front bumper pop out way more, and it gives you that classy Maybach look. This is a must-have, this is a must-do, because the car is gonna look 10 times better when you're pulling up from the front. On this Maybach, it came with the 20-inch Maybach wheels, and then again, we're stuck with those Benz logos. Although they do have the Maybach word engraved here, it still got the same Benz logo. So what we're gonna do is, I have a sample and an example here. We're gonna remove this Benz logo and we're gonna add the Maybach logo. This is beautiful here, guys. They got the Maybach logo here on the side. These logos actually light up. So when you turn them on, these light up at night and it looks very nice. What we're gonna do is, where I'm going with that, is you come to the back, you're stuck again with the Mercedes Benz logo. We don't want that, and neither should you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove it. I have a sample, and we're gonna add the proper logo. This logo will also light up. So like the sides light up, the rear logo will also light up with it. Now those are small details and add-ons that everybody with a Maybach should do. So as you can see, this vehicle is in an all-white finish. So we're gonna do the two-tone on this, guys. We're gonna go with the gloss black finish, and we're gonna also show you guys that getting done. We're gonna add all those pieces that I mentioned to you guys, and you guys can see how those changes will make your Maybach look 100 times better.
She working me, urging me, it be urging me. Chill it up, the top of